vamwe vakanga vasina kuona mukavhotera kabishopa muprofita wedhemao anozvigadza moto oramba kubvira wacho, anozvigadza shiri dzoramba dzodzokera mapodhiamu akambozvinzwa kupezvo. Ndo zvinotaurwa naJehovha kuti hatidi kutamba nezita raJehovha tichita pakadaro. Chenge chitiwo zvakare pakunamata kwedu ngatinamate takaswatanuka. Ngatirege kukanganwa zvakaitika kunana Noa, zvakaitika kuSodhomu neGomora. Zvinotaurwa naMathew chapter 24 yake kuti chenjererai mazuva ekupedzisira kuchauya vaprofita vakawanda. Vene achikutaurira kudagona kusungwa kuti muti uyu endapo chienda kuti Satanika haana kutorerwa masimba ese, analo ekufamba. Saka ngatingwarirei koiwo muno mazowanda maprofita kusvikira pakadai kana mubhaibheri hatinambozvinzwa zvakadai. Kwaipeta muprofita mwechite vaviri panguva. Ko ava vamwe vanenge vakazesa madhirama apa kuti iri $3 iri $2 ndozvakarehwa izvozvo. So munotorerei mari yevanhu muchishandisa zita raMwari, wotorera ngombo kuti ngabvise chegumi asiye kumba nenzara. Oenda kumbabva hana chekudhadza. Hurumende yaMnangagwa yakaipa sei vaMnangagwa kuti uyai tisenze tisimudzire nyika. Pamberi nekushanda, pamberi nekutedza gwaro rakanaka, pasine mhando. Saka ngatiite madzimambo, masabhuku, vanababa nanamai, ngatidzarisei pfungwa tione kuti tiri kuenda kupi, takabva kupi, tiri pa.
Then the move is like, I'm seeing a lion. And then there is a horse. The people are like, horse? Lion. Then I saw a tail like a leopard. But the leopard will fight with the lizard. And the lizard will turn into a snake. It's a mystery. And everyone starts thinking, who is the lizard? Who is the horse? So is the president the horse? But what about the lizard? Who is the leopard? And Dantians and stupid people will be like, wow, what a prophet. So here is what God is showing me about this country. I saw a cow. Do you know why you laugh? Because I never speak that kind of nonsense. If I'm telling you it's going this direction, I tell you it's going that direction. Anyone who tries to make it a mystery, why are you a prophet? The prophet's duty is to interpret the mystery so that I understand the mystery. What is the job of a prophet? We all hear from God, but prophets have an acute hearing power, and then they have the ability to interpret God's mysteries. That's what the Bible says, making hard sentences simple. Explaining hard sentences. Move around. Say, my brother, I'm seeing you. There is something.
So I'm naturally tempted to ask questions. VP Chiwenga attacked President Chamisa soon after the elections, which they stole from him, which they used the military to change the results. We talked about what really happened, what really transpired, what was his role in everything. But now that his chance is being washed slowly away, and he's losing it, the succession battle is seeking to exclude him from the presidency itself. He is now trying by all means possible to have or for the help of Nelson Chamisa. So I'm making this video for those who have been saying, why is it that Chamisa akaramba kubatsira magenerals kuti vanhu vaipinde murodhi gore rakapera in 2025 through vananyoka yemabhunu and others initiatives which happened. You know, they are good initiatives depending on the motive, depending on what they need to achieve at the end. What is the end goal of this? So after calling him a prophet of doom, after calling him names, after calling him names and all sorts of things, you now want his help, you now want his assistance without any form of assurance. So that is where the problem is right now. So in my own view, I think VP Chiwenga and his comrades, if they need his assistance, they need to put the terms on the ground, which all Zimbabweans will say, we agree to these terms. And there must be negotiations from somewhere. There must be guarantors from somewhere. But it can't happen now, because VP Chiwenga cannot sit down with Nelson Chamisa without anybody to bring the much needed guarantee to say, this is what we have agreed, this is what we are going to do. So when you see Mkomana sitting back and saying, I will figure out the way out, I will figure out myself the way out, he's using wisdom. Because what you have to understand is, these people, they are not fighting for change. They are fighting for them to eat. They are fighting for them to have a chance, which they believe they won't have if 2030 agenda is fulfilled. But President Nelson Chamisa on his side, he believes that time is on his side. There is no need for him to rush. The time frames and the timelines of God will never miss. So that is the difference. So according to VP Chiwenga, you must also only have one prophet. So now that Ubet Angel is prophesying doom for him, now that Makandiwa prophesies doom, now that all these prophets, they prophesy doom for General Chiwenga, who is the correct prophet? So it's very, very interesting. Hanzi mamwe maprofita mese hamuzi chaiwo chaiwo hatimuzive kuti chaiwo panyika ndiani. So it's very, very interesting. But you can't rule out unity between President Chamisa and the generals. You can't rule it out, because there are no permanent friends, no permanent enemies in politics. If there are guarantees on the ground or on the table, yes, you might see them uniting, working together for Zimbabwe, for the best interests of this country. So it's very, very interesting to see that this is what is happening politically. And there is one thing which I will need you to look at. I'm going to place it at the end of this video. That is something from Emmanuel Makandiwa. It's very, very interesting. So you are looking at these major prophets, guys, as no mira zvakanaka. Makandiwa vari kuziva kuti the next president ndiani, next one ndiani, next one ndiani. So vari kuziva up to 3 presidents after Mnangagwa. We'll be watching to see what happens. And it's very, very interesting. According to Prophet Makandiwa, what he said, those prophets, probably the presidents, probably they are alive because arikutoziva kuti ndivanani, which means vanhu vari kutorarama nhasi uno sekurarama kwatiri kutoita. So your views and your thoughts, but I think this is the major reason why President Chamisa can't trust anyone. Kana uchinge uchizodawo help yeumwe munhu, iva nemaboundaries, know how to attack others and know when not to attack others. So it is what it is. We'll watch to see what happens.